Hey, I just wanted to be on some real shit. Like, all my life, I wanted to just be a Super Saiyan. Like, it was so cool to come home and watch Goku and them do his shit and Gohan, Piccolo and them. But I just be wanting to think, like, why can I do this shit? Like, why the fuck can I be a Super Saiyan? You feel me? I'm sitting here working at a dead-end job. You feel me? So, but if you believe, you can achieve. So, I'm gonna show y'all how to become a Super Saiyan right here on fucking camera. Like, everybody used to pick on me when I was in school, bully me, throw me in the trash can, call me bitches and shit like that. Drink my white milk, shit for breakfast, eat my donut and shit and leave me the bag. I told y'all motherfuckers. I told y'all bitches. What I tell y'all, I said one day I'm gonna come back to this bitch and I'm gonna be a Super Saiyan, bitch. Today is gonna be the day I show them what hard works pays off. You feel me? So I'm gonna show y'all motherfuckers it's time. I'm gonna show y'all step by step. This is how you become a Super Saiyan. This is the first Super Saiyan. Y'all thought I was playing, didn't you? Bitch, that's a Super Saiyan under that fucking snapback. It's time to go to 3, bitch. It's time to go to 3. You won't take my milk no more. You won't steal my cookies. You won't take my shacks, bitch. It's time to go to fucking Super Saiyan 3. I told y'all, don't fuck with me. My name is Shottown Terrence. This is my Super Saiyan mode. Bye, bitch.